County in northeastern New Mexico until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Hermit's Peak Camp Canyon burn scar. Up to 0.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will impact Manuelitas Creek, Sapeo River, Rio San Jose, Santiago Creek, Rio Cebolla, Rio La Concha, Vigil Creek, Coyote Creek, Moore River, and Louisiana, Canada, Del Caro. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Hermit's Peak Camp Canyon burn scar. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Hermit's Peak Camp Canyon burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mora, Cleveland, Howman, Ladue, Morphy Lake State Park, La Cueva, Chacon, Gascon, Monte Aplanado, South Carmen, Luceros, El Turquillo, Rainsville, Guadalupita, and Golondrinas. This includes the following highways: State Road 94 between mile markers 10 and 18. State Road 518 between mile markers 17 and 47. State Road 434 between mile markers 0 and 14. State Road 208. You're listening to Station WX.